Welcome guys. So today we'll discuss how to install Notepad++ for web development environment. So on Notepad++ we can run or we can do our coding, or we can develop our websites. We can do coding for our websites. So let's go. So first of all, you have to download the Notepad++ from official sites. So after downloading, you will get Notepad++ folder like this. So after clicking on Notepad++ applications, you will get like this. So already I have installed, so I will give you one by one the steps. Notepad++. So after downloading, you will get the Notepad++ folder. In that folder, you have to run the setup file whichever you have downloaded. Then select the installer language, in which language you want to install the setup. So after installing, you will get this window that is welcome to Notepad++ v7.5. my setup version is 7.5.1, so you can download your latest versions. So after clicking next, you will get the license agreement. So you have to just agree and continue in license agreement. So here you have to do I agree. After that you have to do next. So after clicking next, you will get the folder, destination folder, where your location will be there. So you have to choose the folder in which your Notepad++ will be installed. So after browsing, or I have installed in my browser Notepad++ in C program files Notepad++ folder. So after choosing the destination folder, you have to click on next. So after next, you just install your components of the Notepad++. So I have collected total auto completion files, themes, context menu entry, plugins and auto updated. So that will be auto selected. So you just have to do next. After next, you have to wait for some minutes. It will take some time to install the your Notepad++. So here you have to do install. So if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you just click on create shortcut on desktop, then install. So after clicking, you have to finish the setup. So after installing, it will show this kind of your completing Notepad++ v7.5.1 setup. So you have to run the Notepad++. So you have to click finish, then you will get the Notepad++ window like this. So this is my Notepad++ window, and here file, edit, search, view, encoding, language, setting, tools, macro, run, plugin and window. So here this is the basic program structure of HTML. So here I have done document type HTML. So it is starting from HTML and ending with HTML. So each and every tag in HTML will starting and ending with starting and ending tag. So in header part, I have include my page as a title. So title tag, starting and ending of title tag. Then body part will there. So in body part, I am just printing hello world. So this is my basic program of HTML. So now I want to run my programs. So I have to launch in Chrome. So this is my first program, hello world. So see, this is the output of hello world, so which is the body part of my web page, and this is the name of my page. So I have included in title my page. So like this, we have to install the Notepad++. So thank you. If you have liked my video, you just like and subscribe the channel. You will get more video on this kind of technology.